Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Submarine derive their power from two primary systems: nuclear reactor that use uranium fission to generate limitless range and high underwater speed, or diesel electric engine prepared with heavy storage batteries that required the vessel to periodically surface or use to snorkel for air. Nuclear power submarine used to provide water reactor to split uranium atoms, producing immense heat. These heat turns water into high pressure steam, which drive larger turbine connected to the main propeller shaft and electrical generator. Endurance operates submerged for months, limited only by food and crew rotation rather than fuel. Speed maintenance: high speed, often exceeding 20 to 25 knots, completely hidden underwater. Capabilities: power on board electrolysis system to generate fresh oxygen and desalination unit to drink water. Diesel electric power: conventional submarine operate a massive hydrate vehicles on the surface or at proscope depth via a snorkel mast. Diesel engine burned fuel to run propellers and charge the batteries banks. With when fully submerged, the diesel engine shut down and the stored battery power drive quietly electric propulsional motor. Stealth: extremely quiet when running exclusively on battery power, making them hard to detect. Limitations: restricted by battery capacity, requiring frequent running to proscope deep or the surface to recharge. Auxiliary and support power: beyond main propulsions, submarines required substantial electricity for combat system, navigation, sonar, lighting, and life support. Nuclear most reactor generate roughly 150 to 22 MW of the thermal power, channeling a portion of that energy into electrical turbine generators to run the ship daily operation and auxiliaries. Only six countries currently operate active nuclear powered submarine fleets: the United States, Russia, China, the United Kingdom, France, and India. Additional nations like Australia and Brazil are actively developing or planning future nuclear capabilities. You can review comparatively technical inventories on the Wikipedia page for this nuclear submarine. Operational fleets by countries: United States operates an extensive fleets on Los Angeles class, Sea-Wolf class, and Virginia class first attack submarine alongside Oahu class ballistic and guided missile submarine. Russia maintains Borage class and Delta class ballistic boat alongside Yasin class and older Akluta Silvita Victor class attacking the cruise missile submarine. China deploys Jin class Type 094 ballistic missiles submarine alongside Shen class Type 093 and older than class Type 091 attack submarine. United Kingdom relies on Vanguard class ballistic missile submarine and Institute class attack missile. France operates Temperate class ballistic missile submarine alongside Recep and Safran class attack submarine. India operates Arhant class ballistic missile submarine along released attack submarine. Development program Australia acquiring featured nuclear power attack submarine through the AUKUS partnership, including planned by SSN, AUKUS and traditional Virginia class board. Brazil actively developing the domestic Alvia Alberto nuclear power attacking submarine project. If you say which country has the highest nuclear submarine, the United States has the most nuclear submarine in the world, operating a fully nuclear powered fleet on roughly 64 to 71 vessels. Every submarine in the US Navy is nuclear powered, consisting of fast attacking ballistic missile and guided missile type. Global nuclear submarine fleet size United States 64 to 71 active nuclear submarine, Russia's 31 to 37 active nuclear